Here in front of us, we have a 2015 Acura MDX. It's a certified 7-passenger three-row luxury crossover. It's an award-winning vehicle for being best-in-class value, fuel economy, safety, and overall features. This particular MDX features the technology package, the most popular, and it features the crystal black exterior pearl, my favorite. JewelEye LED headlights will illuminate the path ahead, 19-inch premium alloy wheels, which feature tire pressure monitoring system. I do like the silhouette of the vehicle. It even features chrome door handles, which have smart entry as well. There's a power tailgate on this vehicle, and I also like that it also features our super handling all-wheel drive system. When backing up, the 3-view reverse camera is going to aid you, and inside the interior, you've got a ton of space for everyone and all of their things, including some underfloor storage as well. Now, the interior is the parchment to leather interior. Great color combination. In fact, it's not only an in-demand color combination, but it has an elegant look with the wood and metal finishes as well. You have an easy climb in, and you even have a flat floor, which is perfect for families. And one of the best features about this vehicle is, again, just everything it provides, like the 3-zone climate control. Both front passengers and the rear passengers have the option of selecting their own climate. There's even power seats for up front that are also heated, and the driver's features a memory function as well. The leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel features Bluetooth, voice commands, cruise control, and paddle shifters as well. The top display here will feature AccuLink-based navigation system and telephone. The bottom display is going to feature audio and climate system. The ELS premium sound system also features AM/FM SIrusXM satellite radio complimentary for 90 days, a hard drive to store music into the vehicle, and I even like that it even features Bluetooth streaming, iPod mode, and an MP3 mode as well. The automatic dimming rear view mirror prevents any glaring. You even have AccuLink to connect to emergency and convenience services. HomeLink will connect to your garage door opener, and I love the sunroof because it floods the cabin with tons of light. Some other neat features about this vehicle: it is a certified, and it's also below the price average. It even features great safety equipment that you're looking for, like lane departure warning, blind spot information system, and even a Foward Collision Warning system. Now, you can review this and many more features on our Pure Cars and Carfax, which are both on marinacura.com site. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you'll be able to have access to this and additional product information, or you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram to keep up to date with all the social media feeds. $30,998 is what we're asking for in this MDX, and the stock number is 19314.